Hi, I'm Jackie Keenan. In Chicago Business Today, hotel heartbreak. Chicago hotels last year suffered their worst slump in more than half a century. The area occupancy rate plunged to just under 57%. Revenue per room, a key measure of the business, fell almost 24% in Chicago to $63.75, the fourth biggest decline nationwide. Partly to blame, corporate cutbacks. Business travelers account for more than 70% of Hyatt Regency Chicago's business. This Hyatt is among those properties hurt by the lack of business travel.
Corporate America, like everyone else, is cutting back on their budgets. So if you had, a number of salespeople a couple of years ago, you might have cut back that sales force. You might have cut back their travel. And so if you had 20 people on the road 2 years ago, there might only be 10 or there might be less.
The downturn could mean big problems for hotels with too much debt. More defaults are almost certain, and it is already impacting contract talks between hotels and unions. The last agreement expired 6 months ago. Hotels say they can't afford wage and benefit demands, but unions are not budging. And working in the labor's favor, forecast for a pickup in hotel business this year. PKF Travel Research expects a 4% jump in revenue per room. Hyatt's Schaefer is also betting on that.
What's happening right now is that I think people are still waiting to see what's going to happen. My crystal ball right now says it's probably the second half of the year when hopefully we start seeing things get a little bit better. We anticipated that first quarter was going to be pretty slow, and it certainly has been. I hope by the second half of the year that's going to translate into a little more confidence on the business side and get people back doing business.
No one is looking for a significant recovery until 2011, and revenue per room will still be well below the peak hit in 2007. Area hotels won't get much of a lift from convention business either. McCormick Place and Navy Pier shows are expected to draw about 1 million visitors this year, down from 1.3 million in 2009. And that's all for this edition of Chicago Business Today. For more on the story, be sure to check out this week's print edition of Cranes or go to chicagobusiness.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.